Good morning, teacher. My name is Carlos Citas. I am in 3-year course A. I am going to complete the study using my own ideas. The food was delicious, however, the restaurant was very noisy. I love summer weather on the other than I ate the insect. Clean your room order out. In no to the party. I like cats. Out my brother prefer dogs. In Spain on the rain, the children play outside. Thank you, teacher. See you in the next class.